jack crevalle. Didn't snag him this time though. Second fish of the day. Little Sprite spoon. Great bait for saltwater. I'm just fishing the bay side over here. And near the Moorings Club. These guys have got some wicked teeth on them, so gotta get the teeth out, the hook out pretty good. Alright. It's a good little 8-inch, 9-inch fish. Small spoon. Welcome to Jack Valley. But hopefully we'll get some bigger ones. We'll get back to you guys. Oop. Come here. He's got some teeth on him, so nice little guy. Probably about 8 inches. Not too big, but got this sheepshead. Not a very big one, but we're here on this saltwater pond. Little sheepshead. We caught a redfish here last night, so got the cameras off.
April just caught this fish. I caught the other lady fish. Yeah.
Alright, we caught a lot of fish. We had a big redfish.
Snook.
Right here. She got a baby snook.
And another lady.
Caught this maybe half-pound little mangrove snapper on some dead shrimp. Same on the Indian River coast. Whoa. Got hooked a little bit, so hopefully you survive. But we'll get back to you guys. Alright, we just got this black drum on some dead shrimp. Maybe about a pounder. Pretty big.
Yeah, that would be.
Look at all those whiskers on them.
2 appetizers.
Alrighty. Go.
Throw me back. You can catch me again.
Oh. It's every cast now here. This is a good spot. Not exactly a huge size, but about a pound. Gotta watch out for the stingrays. There you go. Got another black drum, another about a pound. I think they're schooling right off here because there's every cast we're getting one. But let's let this guy go. And there he goes. Alright, just caught this big old sheepshead. This pond. Just watching him doing a little bit of sight fishing actually. Nice little guy. Gotta get this hook out really quick, so alright, we've been catching a whole bunch of these little baby snook. Dead shrimp, they like that, I guess. Nice little baby. Been catching a lot of these, but alright, this is probably the biggest sheepshead we caught so far, maybe about 2 pounds. Big one, just caught him right over there on this little D.O.A shrimp, but let him go. Just a little tiny baby mangrove snapper. These things fight really hard. Oh, got it. Nice little fish. But get back to you guys.
Okay, go.
Okay, we just got this big old sheepshead. We're gonna go ahead and let him go. Got some big old teeth.
Yes, he does.
Okay. We got this nice little snook on a fake little shrimp.
Nice.
Or D.O.A shrimp. Big old snook. Probably about 2 pounds.
Where'd you catch him?
Over around at the end of the island.
Indian River. This is like really you caught a snook yesterday, but this is your first big snook, right?
This is my first sizable snook. This is a really beautiful
Let's look at him close.
Big old fish. Probably about 20 inches.
Congratulations, buddy.
Thanks.
Good catch.
let this guy go.
Are you sad to see him go?
No. There's more fish in the sea.
I've heard that somewhere before. There you go.
Alright, I just caught this nice snook on the same little shrimp, if you can see it. Probably about 2 pounds. Big old fish. Here, get the hook out. Another snook. This guy go. If you want to put the camera underwater, we can do it underwater release. Okay. Here we go. Is it starting?
Yep.
Okay. We just got this big old redfish, probably about 3 pounds. Very big. Right off here on the coast. About a 3-minute fight.
You want to measure him?
Yes, it's measuring. Let's see. 23 inches. That is amazing. 23 inches. Alright. Yep, let's weigh him up. Probably about 3 pounds.
Keep him out of the water too long.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, it's not worth it.
Okay, I got it.
You really got to get
I got it.
How much?
3 pounds, 7 ounces. That's about 3.5 pound redfish. That's a big old fish. Alright,
Okay.
let's get a last sea of them, and then let's let them go.
1 minute for every pound.
For redfish, this is definitely my personal best. Fought him for a while. Gladly you had the net. Definitely my personal best redfish.
He's got a hook on his gill.
He does?
Gold?
No.
Oh,
No,
maybe
that's
that
a
was
piece of
just a
grass.
reflection.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, let's let this guy go.